Google has literally launched 3 models right now, and these models are Gemini 3.6 Flash, 3.5 Flash-Lite, and 3.5 Flash Cyber. Everybody was expecting Google to launch the 3.5 Pro, but it's still delayed. And these 3 models have a crazy benchmark. And this is the benchmark for Gemini 3.6 Flash compared with 3.5 Flash as well as 3.1 Pro. As you can see, we are having a crazy increase in terms of coding as well as the ML engineering and computer use. You could literally see like a great improvement from 3.5 Flash as well as 3.6 Flash. And next we are having the benchmark comparison between 3.5 Flash-Lite, 3.1 Flash-Lite, and GPT 5.1 mini and Claude Haiku 4.5. And the pricing is extremely less. Just look at the input and the output pricing, and its benchmark are so good, on par with GPT 5.4 mini. And finally we are having the Gemini 3.5 Flash Cyber. So as you can see, it is on par with Mythos Preview. Here in the Cyber Gym benchmark, we are having the Mythos 5 as well as Mythos Preview. It's so standing on par, just behind GPT 5.5 Cyber in OpenAI agent. So now to try these models, you can simply go to the Gemini app, and I am using the free plan. So if you click it, as you can see, we are having the 3.6 Flash as well as the 3.5 Flash-Lite available over here. You can try it out. And apart from this, you can just go to Google AI Studio and go to model selection and click on Gemini. We'll be having the Gemini 3.6 Flash, which costs around 1.50 as well as $7.50 per input and output. Here we are having 3.5 Flash, which costed 1.50 and 9 in the output. So they have reduced the price over here, and it's much more optimized also. As it clearly says here, in some cases it reduces the output token usage by 17% also. So not only it's cheap, but it's also efficient when compared to the 3.5 Flash. And another great thing is their knowledge cutoff is March 2026 for both 3.5 Flash-Lite and 3.6 Flash. That's just like 4 months ago. So that's also a really good thing. So do let me know in the comments what you think about this. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.